Let's get started.
House center today. Went end over on the bike and the pedal got all messed up and muckied up, and this armature here is just not functioning properly. It just continues to get loose, so I'll tighten it down and it'll loosen itself back up again. I've got some tools from Amazon and some parts. Hopefully these will work. Let's get after it. I'll do that. There's a bunch of tools. Make your careful consideration. I'm just going to use the parts that I need to fix. Hopefully this one. Well, of course it doesn't. So, alright. Do and die from Amazon. Should be all set. I had to remember the reverse thread on the pedal, but other than that, I think we're all set.
Like and subscribe. Por favor, dale me gusta y suscríbete.